Morning, hi. This is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard brief for Thursday, March 31st. We are looking for a systems moving through right now, and expected to linger in our eastern areas through this morning with some precip, but it will bring breezy winds not only now but throughout the day. The winds gusts could go up to 30 to 35 miles an hour. We are looking for a drier period Friday through Sunday, although there is a trough that moves to our north. Again, no precip really expected, but it is going to bring some breezy winds on Saturday. I'll show you that. And then we're looking for a precip to return by Monday, but mainly impacting our western upslope areas of the Sawtooth and then the upper Snake Highlands or along the Wyoming border. And then it will be quite windy, probably wind advisory needed, although it's a little early right now to tell for sure. Here's on the satellite, high pressure to our west, and then you can see clearing conditions also to our west, and then cloudy conditions on our eastern border with the system moving through, low pressure system moving through currently. As I mentioned earlier, we are breezy winds all throughout the day, which is some mainly snow in our southeast and northeast areas. So the higher snow amounts will be up in the Island Park area with up to around 4 inches possible. Just starting to snow up there now. And then drier conditions, like I said, Friday through Sunday, but breezy winds on Saturday. There's a slight chance of snow along the Montana border, but right now it's holding north. And then there's the snow chances that you can see for the eastern highlands, the Sawtooth area on Monday, and then it does look quite windy actually at this point. Temperatures today are slightly below normal with that cooler air moving through with that system. And here's our wind gusts for this morning. They just slightly increase for this afternoon, even a little bit more into the evening, but quickly drop off by 8 or 9 p.m. Here's our QPF on the left. And that mostly going to be snow. It could be rain snowfall mix. You're right there in Idaho Falls, probably a trace, but maybe up to half an inch of snow, a Rexburg, and better chances you hit to Ashton and Island Park. Island Park about 1 to 2 inches as a whole, up to about 4 inches. You can see about 1 to 2 inches down the Wasatch possible through the remainder of this morning. And then here's the low end amount with the high probability, 1 to 2 inches of the Island Park area. And here's the high end, but it's very low probability, up to about 4 inches, maybe 5 inches. I showed you the more likely snow amounts over here. It's kind of in the middle. And there's a chance of 1 inch snow or greater, pretty high, particularly if you go in that corner there up in the Island Park area of getting 1 inch or more. And you see the 4 inches isn't very likely in that, very low probability, 30 to 50% chance of that 4 inches or more in that corner, northeast corner. Temperatures Friday do warm up to near normal. And then wind gust on Friday, still breezy behind that system, high pressure. Weak high pressure kind of building in, not the real strong high pressure you're used to with light winds. And then here's on Saturday, we do warm up, southerly flow with that system out ahead of that system that kind of moves through. Again, not looking for a precip at this point. If we did, it would be up on the Montana line. And then there's wind gusts, quite breezy. Could be close to wind advisory levels. We'll reevaluate if that is needed. You need to watch for some blowing dust in any plowed fields. Is potentially possible not only today but more likely on Saturday and for sure on Monday. Here's Sunday's temperatures, again above normal, and then Monday they are still above normal but do drop a little bit. That system does come through a little bit later on Monday, not early. So in conclusion, just we have that system today moving through mainly light precip impacts for our northeast area and southeast areas with gusty winds to 30-35 miles an hour, particularly over the Snake Plain, eastern Magic Valley, and some ridge tops. We do have a drier period Friday through Sunday, although there will be some winds to contend with on Saturday. And then the precip chances return, particularly for our western upslope areas on the Sawtooth and eastern highlands along the Wyoming border on Monday. And like I said, it looks to be quite windy, probably wind advisory needed on that day on Monday. This concludes the briefing. If you have any questions, give us a call at that number. Thanks.